एक मिनट आने दो सबको, माइक दे दो, माइक दे दो, माइक दे दो, माइक देना।
क्या बुलाए
माइक ले आएंगे।
आप इंडिया बुला सकते हैं हमें।
इंडिया बुला सकते हैं। आपको दुख है कि गोल्ड मेडल नहीं आए हैं, आपको फिर वापस आ रही है टीम?
बिल्कुल, आई थिंक मेडल होता है और देश के लिए मेडल लेके आना सबसे बड़ी बात है। जो हमारी कोशिश थी कि हम फाइनल तक जाएं और गोल्ड मेडल जीतें, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो हमारा सपना पूरा नहीं हुआ। बट हम खाली हाथ वापस नहीं आए एंड बैक टू बैक ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीतना ये भी हिस्ट्री है हॉकी के लिए और आई थिंक बहुत प्राउड है हम।
किसको डेडिकेट करेंगे ये मेडल?
ये पूरे इंडिया को करेंगे कि जितना आप लोगों ने सबने प्यार दिया है हमें, वो हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और ये स्पोर्ट आपकी हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे, यही उम्मीद करते हैं। आई थिंक काफ़ी इमोशनल मोमेंट था उनके लिए भी, और क्योंकि इतना समा उन्होंने जो हॉकी को दिया है, टीम को दिया है, आई थिंक वो बहुत बड़ी बात है। एंड लास्ट मैच खेलना और मेडल के साथ फिनिश करना, इससे बड़ी बात उनके लिए भी कोई नहीं है। तो हमारा यही था कि उन जो वो जा रहे हैं तो उनको अच्छे से भेजें, मेडल के साथ भेजें और हम बहुत खुश हैं उनके लिए। बट ऑफ कोर्स अभी वो रिटायरमेंट दे चुके हैं, बट वो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेंगे।
सरपंच उपाधि दी गई, भी आपकी तारीफ की, इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो टैग नाम दिया गया?
नहीं, बिल्कुल सर, आई थिंक जो स्पोर्ट मिल रही है स्पोर्ट्स को और सभी गेम्स को, आई थिंक वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। रियली वांट टू थैंक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, हमारे साई बेंगलोर और आई थिंक साई के एंड जो हमारी उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट है एंड हमारी हॉकी इंडिया, आई थिंक इनकी बहुत बड़ी सपोर्ट है हमें। और एज ए प्लेयर सबको यही होता है कि आपको सब सपोर्ट मिले, जो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट हो आपकी पूरी हो। तो आई थिंक वो हमें मिली है और आई रियली वांट टू थैंक।
2028 में आपको ओलंपिक में
वो मेडल्स लगातार इंडियन हॉकी टीम ने ओलंपिक्स में जीता है, क्या कहेंगे? लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
बहुत खुश हैं और बहुत प्राउड हैं क्योंकि हॉकी के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है और जितना प्यार अब मिल रहा है हॉकी को, और ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारी डबल करता है और हम भी कोशिश करेंगे कि जब भी मैदान में जाएं और देश के लिए मेडल लेके आएं।
थैंक यू।
Harmanpreet, they're a proud captain as we are looking at the pictures of our heroes who have now come back home. The bronze medal there you can see flashing as far as Hockey India and the support that is now being given to them. India, which suffered a heartbreaking loss to Germany in the semi-final, and they delivered a stellar performance with the skipper leading from the front, as it was Harmanpreet who scored the two crucial goals in the 30th and the 33rd minute to end the tournament as the highest goal scorer. And now that they are back, heroes welcome that is now being given to them. We're looking at those pictures that are now coming in from the Delhi's IGI airport. And this is a victory, Sabyasachi, that is a testament to the hard work, to the determination, to the resilience that has been put up by the Indian hockey team. Well, winning back-to-back Olympic medals, which is an extraordinary achievement that reflects when it comes to the resurgence of Indian hockey, and that too on a world stage that is now concerned. Of course, PR Srijesh now taking the retirement. But of course, there are better things that are now planned with him as far as in the junior hockey head coach is now concerned. But this was perhaps one of the best chances. Sabyasachi, as we are looking at the pictures of the Indian hockey team, the heroes who are back home now. Well, you can hear the dhol nagare as far as the Indian hockey team is concerned. They've now boarded the bus and remains to be seen because they again back home will be having a hectic week of just celebrations there. Of course, that conversation that they had with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, all of them very happy. And speaking to the Prime Minister, we are waiting if there is going to be a grand reception for all of our heroes as well. But when they return to their native homes, there would be other grander receptions and grander celebrations that would be waiting for them, because this is nothing but Indian fans who are there also at the airport just chanting India, India, and those chants only growing louder as the team that was able to convert when it comes to the losing match, because here they didn't win a gold, they didn't win a silver, but this time they did secure a bronze. And it was the captain who lived up when it comes to the stunning brag flick. We have Arunil also with us right now. Sabyasachi also getting us more information as far as the team returning back home. But this is a moment, Arunil, that we are looking at, that celebrations that have been taking place, the players themselves breaking into a dance. And of course, this is something that is a very, very proud moment as far as Indian hockey team is concerned. Sabyasachi, can you hear me? If you can take that question. The Indian hockey team is back home. So back from the Paris Olympics, as we are looking at those pictures that are now coming in. Of course, when it comes to the goalkeeper, Priyat Jaishejesh, that was absolutely in style as far as now his retirement that is now concerned, because he's retired from international hockey on a high after defending India to another bronze medal win. And of course, the perspective and the comparison that is now drawn. But of course, cricket, he had said that it is a beautiful game, but hockey is the one that makes the difference, as the entire country attaches to the emotion by hockey. And of course, when it comes to the Prime Minister himself, who had a conversation with the heroes, he says what happens and whoever wins the medal. But when it comes to the Indian hockey team, if it wins a medal, that is even more special. And that is when you can count on the emotions, you can count when it comes to the people of the country who are glued to their television sets. And of course, they were watching it when the Indian team won that bronze medal. It was when the entire country erupted into joy and celebrations. And of course, when it comes to Arunil, the pictures that are now coming in of the celebrations, they are celebrating once they are back home. Of course, when it comes to more celebrations that are now lined up for them later in the day.
Well, certainly, yes, Amita. Historic moment for Indian hockey. India basically has dominated the sport of hockey historically. We have more than 6 gold medals, consecutive medals we used to win at one point of time. Only when the hockey basically was World Hockey Federation decided to play the sport on turf pitches, that is when Indian hockey deteriorated a bit, because we didn't have turf pitches on home soil. But now Indian hockey is back. That is what Captain Harmanpreet Singh is also saying. Last Olympics as well, we won a bronze medal. This Olympics, again, another medal for the Indian hockey team. The way this team has fought under coach Craig Felton, that is also extremely exemplary. How basically we defeated a dominant side like Australia after more than 50 years. This was India's first victory over Australia in more than 50 years. We also defeated an aggressive side like the Great Britain. Many series of victories that basically led to this bronze medal. A very strong side like France was also defeated in the bronze medal match. In fact, also in the semi-final, the defeat was against a strong German side. Both the teams basically looked at power, equal strength. In fact, the Indian team, at least in the field, was looking more strong and dominant. Unfortunately, Unfortunately, the result was not in our favor, but yes, consecutive medals now at the Olympics. That is the pinnacle of the sports. This basically reflects, and how Harmanpreet Singh also mentioned about it, that Indian hockey is back now. If people were considering that the Tokyo Olympics bronze medal was a fluke, it was not really, because Indian hockey has proved again in Paris that they cannot be taken lightly. They are an Asian powerhouse. And one word for PR Srijesh as well, the custodian who has served Indian hockey for more than 10 years. He hangs up his boots, but how he retires on a high. The way he fought in the penalty shootout as well against Great Britain, and the way he made those crucial saves in the bronze medal match against Spain as well. Extremely emotional moment, because Indian hockey is an emotion for Indians. It has been primarily played across villages, across urban centers, but in different parts of the country. Yes, cricket grew later on, but many fans of hockey expected the sport to grow again, and that is what these players have done it for the future generations. 2 consecutive bronze medals now, and we can hope that in the next Olympics in 2028, the color of this medal will change to the prominent gold.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. We've been waiting not just for hockey, but for other sports also concerned, because this time around we have seen that many of the competitions that Indian sportspersons have been participating in have come to the 4th position, but we are hoping that position could get better with the colors of the medals changing as far as their positioning is concerned. Of course, speaking to PR Srijesh as well, the last match that he played at the international hockey platform, he's retiring from that now, and what he had said after this win, let's listen in. Joining me is PR Srijesh, who has played his last international match. Srijesh, how does that sound? How are you feeling at this moment? How are the emotions?
It's good. The best way to say goodbye to this beautiful game. And thanks to my team members. They've done a wonderful job. They didn't disappoint me. So I'm happily going back home.
From sitting at the goalpost in Tokyo to today laying in front of it, folding your hands in front of the goalpost, how has the journey been? What was the conversation like?
I said a last goodbye. That's it. And thanks to God, who helped me a lot. All this up and downs, how the way he protected me, how the way the goalpost protected me. A lot of times when he itself saved the goals for me. So it's tough, hard. It's quite hard. I mean, you know, some talks are personal. We cannot express it.
And talk to us about the match today. How important was this match to win the bronze medal, to go out on a high? And of course, the entire team dedicated this campaign to you. What were the emotions right before the match? Maybe you can tell us a little bit of the dressing room talk before and after the match.
See, the team had only one dream, to win a medal for country, because reaching there, working hard, been through a lot of struggles. Losing in the semi-finals, it's tough for everyone to just bounce back. But still, one thing, just go, give your 100%, enjoy your game. The one thing everyone said is like, give your 100%, even if you lose, no problem. But give. There should not be any chance to regret. So that's how we managed, and we done it. So it's great.
Also continues to be with us right now. Well, the heroes are back, Sabyasachi, and of course, we have seen as far as the welcome that has now been given to them, dhol nagares that could be heard at the airport. They also breaking into a dance. This is a proud moment, and many more celebrations and many more such programs are lined up for our heroes as they're back home now.
Well, absolutely. You see, it was a mood of celebration here at the 3-3 International Airport. Large number of fans gathered. There was dhol nagaras while the players came outside. Now, after that, the players started dancing, enjoying the very particular moment. We had heard the captain, Harmanpreet, himself speaking, stating that how much important it was for the Indian contingent to believe within themselves that they can strike back, they can win back after the defeat. Now we have seen that every single player who was here was really happy with the win, and clearly it is the 2 consecutive win of the Indian hockey men, because last time India won 2 consecutive games was back in 1972, in 1968 and in 1972. After that they have won 2 consecutive bronze in 2020 and 2024. So for the hockey future, it is a very important thing, because next time onwards the players have stated that they would be targeting the gold. The players were happy with the efforts that they had put in. All the players had the smile on their face. They were extremely happy with the kind of performance, because after a setback they did not bow down. They came back stronger and won the bronze. Now some of the players are still there in Paris. They would be coming in back to the country after the closing ceremony, but the players who are here today were extremely happy with the performance, and that could be seen in the fans as well, because a large amount of fans had gathered to get a glimpse of the players who had come out here. They were clicking pictures of the players, so the mood was quite of celebration. Dhol nagaras were being played. Large numbers of supporters were here to extend their support to the players.
Absolutely, and this is something that the entire country has been united with, the kind of emotions that are attached when it comes to Indian hockey, and this is truly a Chak De India moment that we're looking at with our heroes now back home. Sabyasachi Arunil, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Of course, more exclusive reactions and also interviews lined up when it comes to all of our players, all of our sportspersons who have made the country proud at the Paris Olympics.